And says when the phone rang, who the hell is that?
That's it. Outdoor crafter, everybody, how's it going? On a load of wood here. The good old Alice Chalmers, everybody. That one you know. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Oh. Yes. Yes, yes. Hey? Yeah, so a couple of tricks here that I've learned as well. Gotta get the back saver, I call it. And it looks like it fell off. I did have it here. So it looks like I'm gonna have to backtrack a little. Unless, oh wait a minute, maybe he put it in the bucket. So, nope. So it looks like I'll have to backtrack a little, everybody. So I was hoping I wouldn't have to do that, but well, that's just name the game, I guess. Well, yeah, just getting a few loads of wood for a friend and helping him put it away there, and so let's see where I dropped her. I see it. There it is. Typical. This is the back saver, everybody. That's what I call it. Usually you use it for haying and that. Well, I use it for saving my back on the wood. Pick up wood with it. So it's always nice. Yeah. Well, too bad there wasn't a better storage compartment on here, but you know. It's a nice old tractor. I like driving it, and a lot of fun to use. So I'll set everybody up over here. Hopefully I can do that. So you can see me do stuff. How to load all this properly. Alright. Now, I don't think you guys are going to see me that well, but I'll do the best I can anyway. Alright. Yeah. Okay. First I gotta take that off. Gloves. Right. And I use every square inch on this bucket here to load wood. It's essential. Less gaps, the more wood you can pile on, so. And this little hook here, or the back saver, works real well. Okay? Works real well. great. We call it safe work practices. If you guys have one of these, if you're a farmer, you'll definitely have one of these like us. They work real well, as you can tell. Packing it real nice and tight as well, so it stays in there nice, like I said. No gaps. So that'll probably go down in his basement, the big one there, because he has a bigger one there. I'm very easy on equipment, so not like some people are very hard on stuff. So I guess that's why people like lending stuff to me, because I'm so nice with it. So, treat it like it's your own, everyone. Plus it lasts longer. As you can tell, very handy, not back-breaking, hurt yourself in any way, which is nice. So I like that a lot, and they're pretty big pieces. So barely have to do any bending, only a little bit. There we go. A little more pressure was needed. As you can see, it's looking pretty good. Could put 2 huge rows in, so that's nice. I like that. Ain't very easy to use. It's like you're hooking onto a bale of hay. Same idea. Weighs a heck of a lot less. It's relaxing. It's fun. Something I really enjoy anyway is working with the wood and all that, so. I think I might even do that as a living, you know, chop and sell wood, since I enjoy it so much. Really nice wood too, and this stuff is nice and dry. So, yeah, yes, real nice wood here. So as you can see, the back saver, as I call it, real nice handy tool for this kind of job. So I'm Outdoor Crafter, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed this tip. See you then. There's more to come. Stay tuned. Bye for now.